United Airlines wants to bring back supersonic air travel, and we aren't mad about it. Imagine 3.5-hour flights from New York to London, 6 hours from San Francisco to Tokyo. But before we get excited about it, and by we, I mean me, this isn't happening tomorrow. They plan to introduce the aircrafts in 2025 and start test flights in 2026. United plans to buy planes from Boom Supersonic, which is a startup that could become the first to offer ultra-fast commercial flights since the Concorde stopped flying in 2003. Amtrak outlines a plan to expand and enhance rail service by 2035. Amtrak's vision to expand and enhance service across the country includes 39 potential new routes and more trips or other enhancements on 25 existing routes. It aims to improve service in major cities that are currently underserved by rail, such as Houston, Atlanta, and Cincinnati, and bring new intercity passenger rail services to cities like Las Vegas, Nashville, Columbus, Phoenix, and Wichita, while at the same time increasing access for numerous towns and cities in between. Now, in the meantime, Amtrak has also announced the restoration of its traditional dining service beginning on June 23rd, but this time with a new and redesigned menu. Reopening international travel is so much more important than letting travelers give in to their revenge travel fantasies, although that is something that I do support wholeheartedly. Now, according to the World Travel and Tourism Council, more than 2 million jobs could be created if international travel reopens before the busy summer period. While the WTTC remains optimistic about the future, officials have warned that if current restrictions continue and international travel is not allowed to resume at a higher capacity, we could be in trouble. Staycations and domestic travel are not enough to fill in the gap of international travel. So if we don't open soon, it could threaten the nation's position as the top hub for business and leisure travel. Well, there you have it. That's it for this week's travel updates. Hopefully you learned something new. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon.